What if I told you there are AI tools so powerful that some people are replacing entire teams with them? Tools that can write content, generate videos, create music, build software, conduct research, and even automate entire businesses, often for less than the cost of a Netflix subscription. In this video, I'm revealing 10 AI tools that feel almost unfair to know in 2026. If you're a creator, entrepreneur, freelancer, or just someone who wants to work smarter, pay attention. Because by the end of this video, you'll have access to tools that most people still have no idea exist. Let's get started. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about why these tools are such a big deal. Just a few years ago, creating content, building software, editing videos, conducting research, or automating business tasks required entire teams of specialists. Today, AI can do much of that work in minutes. These tools can dramatically increase productivity, slash costs, and eliminate the need for years of technical experience. That's why they feel almost illegal. They give ordinary people access to capabilities that were once reserved for large companies with huge budgets. Number 1, Perplexity AI. If you're still using Google for serious research, you're probably wasting time. Perplexity is an AI-powered search engine that gives direct answers backed by real sources. Instead of opening 10 tabs and sorting through SEO spam, you simply ask a question and receive a clear response with citations. It's perfect for students, creators, business owners, and anyone who values accurate information. The best part? The free version handles most research needs. Once you use Perplexity, traditional search engines start feeling outdated. Number 2, ElevenLabs. This tool completely changed the voiceover industry. ElevenLabs can generate incredibly realistic voices that sound almost indistinguishable from human narration. You can create professional voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, and training content without buying expensive microphones or hiring voice actors. You can even clone your own voice using a short audio sample. For faceless creators, this tool is an absolute game changer. Number 3, Runway ML. Imagine generating cinematic videos without touching a camera. That's exactly what Runway allows you to do. You can create video clips from text prompts, animate still images, remove backgrounds, and generate professional quality footage using AI. Content creators are using Runway to produce videos that would have required expensive equipment and editing teams just a few years ago. The speed and quality are honestly mind-blowing. Number 4, Cursor AI. This tool is making software development accessible to almost everyone. Instead of writing complex code yourself, you simply describe what you want in plain English. Cursor helps build applications, fix bugs, explain code, and accelerate development dramatically. Even experienced developers are using it to increase productivity. And for beginners, it lowers the barrier to entry like never before. Number 5, Suno AI. This one feels almost unbelievable. Suno can generate complete songs from a simple text prompt. Vocals, instruments, lyrics, and production are all handled automatically. Need background music for YouTube videos? Need a custom song for a project? Need a unique soundtrack without paying licensing fees? Suno can generate it in seconds. The fact that this technology exists today is incredible. Number 6, Midjourney. If you've seen stunning AI-generated images online, there's a good chance Midjourney was involved. This tool creates photorealistic images, illustrations, advertisements, product mockups, and YouTube thumbnails from simple text descriptions. Designers, marketers, and creators are using it to generate visuals that previously required professional photographers and graphic artists. The quality is often hard to distinguish from reality. Number 7, Gamma app. Creating presentations used to take hours. Now it can take minutes. With Gamma, you can paste a single idea, a document, or even a rough outline, and the AI transforms it into a polished presentation. It can also create websites and professional documents. For entrepreneurs, students, and business professionals, Gamma is a massive productivity booster. Number 8, Synthesia. Want a professional presenter without appearing on camera? Synthesia lets you create realistic avatar videos from nothing more than a text script. Training videos, tutorials, explainers, and educational content can all be generated without filming yourself. You simply write the script, choose an avatar, and let the AI handle the rest. For faceless channels and businesses, this technology is incredibly powerful. Number 9, NotebookLM. This might be one of the most underrated AI tools available today. Upload PDFs, documents, articles, or research papers, and NotebookLM transforms them into an interactive AI assistant. You can ask questions about your documents, generate summaries, and even create AI-generated podcast-style discussions based on the content. If you work with information regularly, this tool can save countless hours. Number 10, Make.com combined with Claude. This isn't just a tool, it's an AI employee. Make.com handles automation, while Claude provides intelligence and decision making. Together, they can create workflows that write content, answer emails, manage leads, process data, and perform repetitive business tasks automatically. Businesses are already using AI systems like these to replace thousands of dollars worth of manual work every month. This is where the future is heading. Let's quickly recap. Perplexity for research, ElevenLabs for voice, Runway for video, Cursor for coding, Suno for music, Midjourney for images, Gamma for presentations, Synthesia for avatars, NotebookLM for research assistance, and Make.com plus Claude for automation. Combined, these tools can dramatically increase productivity while reducing costs. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. The people who learn to use these tools today will have a massive advantage tomorrow. Which of these tools surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tool discoveries. This is Tech Vault. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.